Welcome back to the Help Desk, where I discuss anything and everything tech related. Today I'll be showing you how to transform your TV from this to this for under $20. Let's get into it. The product we will be using for this project is going to be the 8.2 foot USB LED strip lights from Hamlite, purchased from Amazon for just under $15 at the time of recording. Inside our product, we have our instructions, cleaning wipe, IR remote control, and our LED strip. In order to get the glow effect behind the TV, we want to mount the LED strip on the TV surface so that when it's on the wall, it bounces off the wall and then glows. Our first step will be prepping the surface area of the rear of the TV. Remove all obstructions like tape or wires, then plan out the path of the strip. Once you do that, use the included wipe to clean the area where you will place the strip. Do your best to place the strip towards the edge of the display to get the maximum color. This particular strip said it could handle up to a 60-inch TV, but it barely fits on this 43-inch, so keep that in mind when shopping for these strips. Measure your rectangle where you want to place a strip to make sure it is long enough. As you can see, this strip is designed to bend so it can make corners. The IR receiver needs to be hanging down towards the bottom of the TV, but it doesn't need to be completely visible to work. Make sure you start the strip near where the USB is so you can plug it in. This particular LED strip uses an IR remote control to select the colors that you want to see. So if you want red, green, or blue, you just push a button. It is not an advanced method where it syncs up with the color of the TV. That will be for a later video.